Hello! Get ready for an adventure that tantalizes the taste buds and immerses you in the vibrant culture of Southeast Asia. And welcome to Indonesia, a land of 1,000 flavors where every corner holds a new culinary surprise. Today, we're on a delicious mission, a quest that will take us through the heart of Jakarta's bustling street food scene. Our journey begins in the vibrant streets of Jakarta, a city that never sleeps, especially when it comes to food. Our goal? A singular, delectable objective. To find a legendary treat, a culinary masterpiece whispered about in food circles. We're on the hunt for homemade dragon fruit ice cream. Not just any ice cream, mind you, but the kind that's made with love, passion, and the freshest ingredients. This isn't just about tasting something sweet. It's about so much more than that. It's about the adventure, the thrill of the chase, and the joy of discovering hidden gems. It's about navigating the bustling alleyways, each one a labyrinth of flavors and aromas. And it's about connecting with the people who make Jakarta's food scene unforgettable, the passionate vendors who pour their heart and soul into every dish. Dragon fruit, or buah naga as it's known here, is a true spectacle of nature. It's electric in color and flavor, a vibrant pink beacon in the world of fruit. The taste is subtly sweet, with a refreshing, almost floral quality. And in ice cream form, it's a whole new level of sensory delight. The cool creaminess perfectly complements the fruit's unique flavor profile. Imagine a creamy, cold, refreshing treat, melting in your mouth with each spoonful. A treat that captures the essence of Southeast Asia, its tropical abundance and its vibrant culinary spirit. This is the kind of authentic, passionate food experience I live for, the kind that stays with you long after the last bite. So come with me. Let's dive headfirst into this culinary adventure. Let's get lost in Jakarta, embrace the chaos, and discover the magic that lies within its streets. Together, we'll hunt down this pink treasure, this elusive dragon fruit ice cream that promises a taste of paradise. The anticipation is building with every step, every turn, every new aroma that fills the air. The Jakarta sun beats down, making the thought of a frozen dessert even more appealing, a welcome respite from the heat. We're not just wandering, we have a purpose, a mission, a craving that needs to be satisfied. We're on a culinary quest, a journey of flavors and discovery that will lead us to the ultimate prize. We'll ask locals for their recommendations, tapping into their insider knowledge of the best street food spots. We'll follow the crowds, trusting that the masses will lead us to something truly special. And we'll look for signs of a street food master at work, a vendor whose passion and skill are evident in every creation. The hunt is on, and the excitement is palpable. My taste buds are ready, eager to experience the sweet, refreshing taste of dragon fruit ice cream. This search is about more than a craving. It's about connecting with the local culture, understanding the traditions, and experiencing the true essence of Jakarta. It's about understanding a piece of Indonesian culture, one delicious bite at a time. Dragon fruit ice cream is a celebration on a cone, a burst of color and flavor that embodies the spirit of Indonesia. It's about fusing Indonesia's agricultural abundance with creative street food spirit, transforming a simple fruit into a culinary masterpiece. Let's soak it all in, the sights, the sounds, the smells, the energy of Jakarta's street food scene. And get ready for that moment of pure bliss, that first taste of homemade dragon fruit ice cream that will transport us to another world. The moment when we finally find what we're looking for, the culmination of our culinary quest. Walking through Jakarta is a feast for the senses. The roar of motorcycles, the sizzle of satay, and the clanging of woks create a symphony of organized chaos. The air is thick with the sweet, smoky aroma of grilled corn, the pungent scent of durian, and the fragrance of lime and chili. Brightly painted street carts line the pavements, each a miniature kitchen on wheels. Vendors prepare food with incredible speed, and people from all walks of life gather to share a meal. This vibrant street life is the perfect hunting ground for our dragon fruit ice cream. Dive in, embrace the chaos, and let curiosity lead the way. The city is alive, and we're right in the middle of it. We've arrived at a bustling morning market, the heart of the community. Stalls overflow with fiery chilies, ripe mangoes, and leafy greens. Here, chefs and vendors source the freshest ingredients. Heaps of buah naga, dragon fruit, catch our eye, their magenta flesh the star of our quest. The market buzzes with energy and connection. As we wander, the scent of coffee, fruit, and spices fills the air. This is where our dragon fruit story truly begins. Tucked between stalls, we spot a small cart with a hand-painted dragon fruit. A crowd gathers, drawn by the promise of something special. The vendor, a friendly man with a big smile, is busy at work. The search is over. We found our pink treasure. The market has delivered. This is exactly what we came for. As we navigate the bustling streets, the vibrant energy of the local food scene draws us in. The aromas of exotic spices and sizzling delicacies fill the air, creating an irresistible invitation to explore. Our journey leads us to a particular cart, where we're about to meet Budi, the artisan behind the magic. He's a master of his craft, transforming simple ingredients into edible works of art right before your eyes. His setup is quite unique, featuring a cryogenically frozen steel plate. This isn't your average ice cream machine, it's a stage for culinary innovation, a canvas where Budi paints with flavors and textures. And the star of the show? Ice cream rolls in action. It's a mesmerizing process to witness, a dance of skill and precision that results in a delightful treat. The foundation of this frozen masterpiece begins as Budi pours a creamy base, likely fresh milk or coconut milk, onto the frigid plate. The contrast between the warm liquid and the icy surface creates an instant transformation. Next comes the star ingredient. He slices open a fresh dragon fruit, revealing its vibrant interior. The anticipation builds as we see the promise of exotic flavor about to be unleashed. With a practiced scoop, he transfers the vivid magenta flesh onto the freezing surface. The dragon fruit's striking color immediately pops against the stark steel, a visual feast before the taste buds even get involved. With swift, practiced hands, he chops and mixes the fruit into the base, expertly blending the flavors and textures. It's a delicate balance, ensuring that each bite is a perfect harmony of creamy sweetness and exotic tang. As the dragon fruit melds with the creamy base, it transforms it into a uniform pink, a beautiful testament to the power of natural ingredients. The color itself is an invitation, promising a taste as delightful as its appearance. The rhythmic clack of spatulas against the frozen steel is mesmerizing, a percussive symphony that accompanies the creation of this frozen treat. It's a sound that speaks of skill, precision, and the passion that Budi pours into his craft. The mixture quickly freezes into a thin sheet, a testament to the extreme cold of the plate. This rapid freezing is key to creating the smooth, creamy texture that makes these ice cream rolls so irresistible. And then comes the magic. Budi expertly rolls it into delicate spirals. Each roll is a testament to his skill, a perfect coil of frozen delight ready to be savored. Each roll is a beautiful swirl of pink, a miniature work of art that showcases the vibrant color of the dragon fruit. They're almost too pretty to eat, almost. These delicate spirals are then placed carefully into a cup, creating a visually stunning presentation that's as appealing as the taste. But the creation isn't complete yet. He tops it with fresh dragon fruit, adding a burst of flavor and a touch of elegance to the already impressive treat. A final flourish, a drizzle of condensed milk, adding a touch of sweetness and richness, and sometimes crushed peanuts, for a satisfying crunch that complements the smooth ice cream. The result is a masterpiece, a symphony of flavors and textures that tantalizes the senses. It's more than just ice cream, it's an experience. It's fresh, vibrant, and made to order, ensuring that every bite is bursting with flavor and that you're getting the absolute best of what Budi has to offer. The crowd watches, mesmerized by the artistry and skill on display. It's a captivating performance that draws everyone in. They're captivated by the performance, witnessing the transformation of simple ingredients into a culinary delight. It's a shared experience, a moment of joy and wonder. This method ensures ultimate freshness, a guarantee that you're tasting the ingredients at their peak. It's ice cream made seconds before you eat it, a level of freshness that's hard to beat. The taste is immediate, the experience unforgettable. It's a testament to the ingenuity of street food vendors, their ability to create extraordinary experiences with limited resources and boundless creativity. Simple ingredients, transformed by skill and passion into something truly special. It's a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. An unforgettable experience, a taste of local culture and culinary artistry that will linger long after the last bite. Food and theater all in one. It's a performance that nourishes both the body and the soul, a reminder that food is more than just sustenance, it's a celebration of life. Budi, with a warm smile, carefully hands me the cup, an edible work of art, a testament to the simple joys of Balinese street food. It feels cool in my hand, a welcome sensation in the tropical heat. The color is a deep electric magenta, almost unreal in its intensity. It's like holding a tiny sunset in my palm, speckled with tiny black seeds, like a galaxy of miniature stars against a vibrant pink nebula. They promise a subtle crunch, a playful contrast to the smooth creaminess. Fresh fruit glistens on top, jewels of mango, papaya, and maybe a hint of star fruit, catching the sunlight and promising an explosion of tropical flavors. A generous drizzle of condensed milk adds a glossy sheen, a sweet, creamy river flowing over the vibrant landscape of fruit and ice cream. It's almost too pretty to eat, almost. I take a moment to admire the artistry, the careful layering of colors and textures, but the temptation is too strong. I dig in for the first bite, my spoon sinking into the soft, yielding ice cream. The flavor is subtle, delicately sweet, not overpowering but rather a gentle caress on the palate. It has a unique kiwi-like profile, a hint of tartness that balances the sweetness perfectly, making it incredibly refreshing. It's incredibly refreshing, a welcome respite from the Balinese heat. Each bite is a cool wave washing over me. The texture is smooth and creamy, yet light and instantly melting, leaving a clean, refreshing sensation. It doesn't sit heavy, it simply disappears, leaving you wanting more. The contrast of cold ice cream, a delightful chill that spreads through my mouth, and the juicy fruit is perfect, adding bursts of flavor and a satisfying chewiness. The seeds add a pleasant crunch, a subtle textural counterpoint to the smoothness of the ice cream. And the condensed milk ties it all together, adding a rich sweetness and a velvety smoothness that binds all the flavors in perfect harmony. Every spoonful is a new discovery, a slightly different combination of fruit, ice cream, and condensed milk. It's a perfect balance of flavor and texture, a symphony of sensations that dance on my tongue. This is more than just ice cream. It's a carefully crafted culinary experience, elevated street food at its finest. It's an experience, a moment of pure bliss in the middle of a bustling street. It tastes of the tropics, of exotic fruits and sun-drenched beaches, of sun and soil, pure and simple, a taste of the island's natural bounty. As it melts on my tongue, releasing its delicate flavors, I can't help but smile, a genuine, heartfelt smile of pure contentment. This is the moment we were searching for, that perfect culinary discovery that makes all the travel worthwhile. A flavor I'll never forget, a memory etched in my taste buds, a reminder of the simple pleasures of Bali. Why dragon fruit? It's more than just color and taste. Dragon fruit, or buah naga, is woven into Indonesia's culture and agriculture. It's a cactus that thrives in the tropics, symbolizing the region's natural beauty. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, it's considered a superfruit. Its intense magenta color is all natural and photogenic, making it a social media star. Vendors use it to create stunning, healthy dishes, ice cream included. For Indonesians, it's a source of pride and creativity. This ice cream is a delicious symbol of Indonesia's dynamic food culture. The best part of street food is connecting with the people behind it. Budi has run this cart for over 5 years, inspired by his wife's love for dragon fruit. He sources his buah naga from a family farm, ensuring top quality. For Budi, this is more than a job. It's his passion. Families return to his cart week after week, drawn by the real fruit and his friendly smile. Regulars stop by just to chat, making his cart a neighborhood landmark. These moments, children's excitement, old friends catching up, make the experience unforgettable. Street food stalls are more than places to eat. They're social hubs. Each interaction adds richness to the adventure. Food is, and always will be, about people. You might think it's just ice cream, but it's so much more. The flavor is unique, delicate and refreshing, pure tropical fruit. Watching it made from scratch is a performance, connecting you to the process. It's the opposite of mass-produced food, personal and fresh, crafted with care. This ice cream is a gateway to Indonesian street food culture. Creative, accessible, and authentic. By seeking it out, you dive deep into local life beyond tourist traps. It's a delicious excuse to explore. The taste, the sight, the sound, and the story make it a must-try. It's a sensory explosion, a memory in a cup. This is an adventure you'll never forget. If you ever find yourself in Indonesia, I have a mission for you. Go on your own dragon fruit ice cream adventure. Step off the tourist path and into a local market or side street. Let the city's sounds and smells guide you. Ask locals, look for the bright pink fruit, and find that special cart. Watch the magic happen. Fresh fruit, clattering spatulas, and a cup of edible art. Savor that first bite. The taste of the tropics, the taste of Indonesia. Share it or keep it all to yourself, but be present in the moment. This is what traveling for food is all about. Discovery, connection, and unforgettable flavors. The dragon fruit ice cream of Indonesia is a highlight of any culinary journey. So go find your own pink treasure. It's waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this incredible food adventure. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.